Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Singh. Welcome back to Incytonomics. So let's start the topic for today without a further ado. In this video, we are going to find the demand function for labor and capital for quasi-linear production function. Okay, so you have been given a quasi-linear production function and a cost function, and you have to derive L star and K star, the optimum quantities of labor and capital that will give you maximum output. Okay, so we have to solve for maximum output, the quantities that will give us maximum output. Okay, so solve करते हैं. First, as we know, the necessary condition for producer equilibrium is the tangency point between isocont and the budget line, right? Slope of isocont is MRTSLK, which is equals to the ratio of MPL by MPK must equals to the W by R, which is the slope of isocost line. So this is our equilibrium situation. Okay. Now let's solve for MPL. MPL is the partial derivative of Q with respect to L. So आपका फंक्शन किस तरह से गिवन है? प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन log L प्लस K. ओके, तो log L का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है 1 बाई L. ओके, सिंपल. अगर आपके पास log x गिवन है, आप उसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हो x के रिस्पेक्ट में, तो यू विल गेट 1 बाई x. ओके, तो हमारे पास x की जगह क्या है? L. तो पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ q विद रिस्पेक्ट टू L फॉर log L यू विल गेट 1 बाई L. ये 0 हो जाएगा क्योंकि आप L के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करते हो. ठीक है. नाउ MPK del Q बाई del K. K के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करोगे तो K के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करोगे, इसका पावर 1 है, 1 माइनस 1 0, इसका पावर होता है 1. K 0 मीन्स 1. सो MPK इज इक्वल्स टू 1. ओके, फिर करोगे आप इसे इक्विलिब्रियम सिचुएशन में, देन यू विल गेट MPL इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाई L बाई MPK. तो MPK क्या हो जाएगा? 1. आप ऐसे लिखो 1 बाई L divided by 1 which is equals to W by R. Okay. अब 1 है, इसको ऊपर लेके जाओगे तभी 1 का 1 ही रहेगा, राइट? सो यू विल गेट 1 by L is equals to W by R. ओके, आप L के टर्म्स में सॉल्व करोगे, इसको L ऊपर जाएगा, ये इधर जाएगा. ओके, सो यू विल गेट R by W. This is the optimum quantity of L. Okay, that will result in maximum output. Your L star is equals to R by W. Now put this L star into cost function to get K star. Okay, cost function क्या है हमारा? WL plus RK. So WL क्या है? R by W plus R. Okay, W से W cancel, you will get R plus RK. R common है, common ले लो, you get 1 plus K. Okay, which is equals to C. ये R डिनोमिनेटर में चले जाएगा क्योंकि आपको K के रिस्पेक्ट में चाहिए वैल्यूज. ठीक है, सो यू विल गेट 1 प्लस K इज इक्वल टू C बाई R. K के टर्म्स में लिखोगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? यू विल गेट C बाई R minus 1. So this is an expression for K star, or you can say this is the demand function. Okay, we have derived an expression for our K star, the demand function for K star. Okay, in this case, in case of quasi-linear production function, you have two scenarios because it's a combination of linear and non-linear functions. Okay, so you have two scenarios. First scenario, when your cost is equals to or less than R, price of capital. When your C is equals to R or less than R, then you will consume only L. Then you will consume only L and your K star is equals to 0. Okay, when your K star is equals to 0, then your L star is equals to C by W. Okay, because it's a linear function. They are somewhat substitute for each other, the labor and capital. Okay, so when you put K is equal to 0, then your L function, the demand function for L look like this, C by W. Okay, second case, when your C is greater than R, then in this scenario, your L star is equals to 0. You are not at all consuming, not at all employing any units of labor. The producer is not at all employing labor. He is employing only capital. So your K star will look like C by R minus 1. This demand function, okay, that we have derived. Okay. So these are the two scenario in case of quasi-linear production functions. First scenario जब आपकी cost कम है price of capital से. Second scenario जब आपकी cost जो है ज़्यादा है then your R. Then in this particular case you are employing only K star. Okay. So we are done. Thank you so much for watching our content. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you had any queries and observations, please do let us know on our comment section. And you can also join us on our Telegram channel where we'll upload all the links of the YouTube videos and also provide the PDFs and important book notes with respect to economics. Thank you.